Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open YouTube Music and sign into the Google account that holds the playlist. That's essential because playlists stay tied to one account. Once signed in, make sure the app or site finishes syncing your library. You'll see My Library populate. Now tap Library immediately and choose Playlists to start. This first move narrows results, so you won't search across mixes or liked songs by mistake. It's quick and saves time when you're looking for a specific playlist. Once in Playlists, use the library search field to type the exact playlist name or a distinctive keyword. This targets only playlist titles rather than songs or albums. If search returns too many matches, sort by recently added or a Z so you can locate a newly created or alphabetically named playlist faster. Also check the three-dot menu for filters like owner or offline. These filters explain why a playlist might be missing or reordered, and they help you narrow down the correct list among dozens. Finish by checking shared playlists and the owner field. Sometimes you're viewing someone else's shared list that isn't in your primary collection. Make sure offline downloads are visible on the current device because offline-only playlists won't appear on other devices. If you still can't find the playlist, sign out and sign back in or reinstall the app to force a fresh sync. Troubleshooting tip. If sync fails, verify you're on the right Google account and toggle network connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.